Hi, I'm Vasos Dejakovic, CEO and founder of Ybern Proprietary Limited, a manufacturer, designer and installation company for ticketless parking systems. I'm at Lane Cove Council at the latest development, the Canopy. Thank you for taking time to answer a couple of questions. Can you please tell me your experience about using Ybern's ticketless car park?
I find it very efficient just because I don't lose my ticket, and it's easy to use the equipment, just pop in your number plate and it's simple to go.
Excellent. And how do you feel about not having boom gates on the entry and exit?
Having been caught on my roof of my car before with a boom gate, I'm quite pleased about that. I think sometimes, it just makes it all simpler.
Excellent. Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you.